Drug-receptor theory explains specific action of a drug with a single receptor using a lock and key analogy, wherein in this analogy, the structure of the drug is the key while the receptor would be the lock. The most potent drug at a receptor will fit perfectly, and other drugs with similar but non-identical structure may fit less effectively and therefore be less potent and have no effect. To convey some specificity, receptor interaction generally have multiple spatial and chemical requirements for full effect. Different drug in the class will have the same key structure, but the rest of the structure will be different. This often results in different pharmacological properties such potency, duration of action, absorption, protein binding, metabolism, and adverse effect.